Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Contact with Car Motion. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your comments and likes. Today in this video I'm gonna go over some upgrades that I did for my 2018 Buick LaCrosse, and the reason of that is I like to make my cars a little bit special. I like to modify things, and I'm just gonna show you around the things that I've done to make this car a little bit special. Please enjoy. This is Buick LaCrosse, the top of the line trim level of Buick. However, it's no longer in production. They stopped making it in 2019, and this is the last of the luxury sedans the Buick gonna make for a while now, I think. So I really love this car. I love this 20-inch wheels. They're just huge, and they make a car. I cannot add anything to this car. It just has perfect proportions. I was looking at different brands, different cars, and this one, it has sportiness, it has luxuriousness, great proportions. It's very economical on gas. You put only requires regular gas for this car. I did some improvements to this car. For example, I did this bezel in a body color. It's actually a wrap, matches perfectly. It was chrome before, like the one on the bottom right here. I'm thinking to do that too. I also blacked out this portion right here in white. It's also it's not a paint, it's just a wrap, piece of wrap vinyl, and it's actually adds more to the body of the car, because it was just too much light housing, in my opinion. The light was way too big. I also added this little things, little detail on the grill to make it stand out a little bit. Also, what I did was I wrapped this thing in black. As you can see, it looks like it's a full panoramic glass. It is a panoramic roof, but it's not full glass. This was just a body color before. It's too dirty a little bit. So I wrapped that, and looks very very good. This is a view from the rear. It looks like the whole roof is actually glass, as well as this little detail here, the C-pillar and a B-pillar and a C-pillar. So I did a carbon fiber wrap. Also adds to overall appearance, because it was just a body color. So to open the door, just do this. As far as the interior, what I did was I added this little trim. It was like a pearl wood color, but since the car is pearl, I wrapped that, as well as this little details here and dash over there. It looks like matching the color of the car, pearl, as well as this piece right here. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, which I'm not a big fan of. In fact, I love everything about this car except I don't like the transmission. How it shifts, how it behaves. I just think they could have done a better job. Start button. When you start up, it gives you a little bit of the animation here. 250 channels of the commercial-free radio, XM. Here's the back seat. Nobody ever sat there before. Completely untouched. This is the glass panoramic roof. Not huge. When it opens up, it only opens up this part right here. So in order to close this thing, you push the button and it automatically raises the shade. Kind of protects the car when it sits under the sun all day long here in Florida. I really love this car actually. The only other thing that I don't like is that it has automatic stop-start button, which you cannot disconnect. It's not disconnectable. GM didn't think it was needed for you to disconnect it. That was such a cool option. They're so full of it. This trim is very nice. It looks very good. Took me like 30 minutes to do. Totally worth it. So when you buy a car, it's normal to do a little bit of the upgrades, tweaking it a little bit to make it stand out, make it your own unique car. Also thinking of doing this in white or black. Let's see, maybe I'll do that. Some idea for GM designers to do this part like I did in vinyl trim, kind of color matching. That's actually kind of cool design element, I should say. These vents are fake. This is how it looks from here, in this angle. It's beautiful interior, I have to say it's beautiful. Very upscale, very luxurious interior with a floating tunnel. Cooled and ventilated real leather. This is a real leather, guys. Many adjustments for the seats. Back of the seats also wrapped in leather. There's none of that plastic that some manufacturers leave. We have vents for the back seat passengers, AC vents, a real outlet here, and what are these guys? Even here on the bottom of the seat, they didn't have to do that, but look how nicely pointed material, instead of just sticking out plastic. Two-tone here, nice upholstery, and ceiling. Even this things are LED lights. Handles are very nice, not cheap like some of the even premium manufacturers. They just don't spend much money on these things. Little quarter window on the back. Beautiful seats. I love it. I did already a few reviews of this car before, and every time I walk around my own car, I love it so much. This design element is awesome. This shoulder line sticking out and goes all the way across the whole belt line of the car. This is a belt line, but this is another line that goes a little bit and meets at the air vents, the fake air vents, and its airs here. But it goes all across. This is a great design element. On the back we have LED lights, not full LED though. Double exhaust, 2 pipes. Tires are very nice. They're 20-inch and they're wrapped in Bridgestones, I believe 245/40. Yep, 245/40. I wish this thing was a color of the Buick. I might do that later. Yeah, beautiful lines, just beautiful. From the market, what you see now for around $30,000, $25,000 for used car, this is a great choice, guys. I have to say, it's a great choice. You're not gonna find anything that looks so sexy. The list of options is endless here. It's really endless. This is the top trim, premium trim in 2019. It was called Avenir. There's nothing you can add to this car for the money you spend, and you spend between $20,000 and $25,000 on this trim level right now with little miles. Yeah, I really enjoy driving this car. Like I said, the sportiness of this car is amazing. I was looking into a Lincoln Continental, I was looking at Chevy Impala Premium, and I think this is a better choice. Much better. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little walk around review. I would appreciate if you subscribe and leave me some comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.